How to change your astrological or zodiac sign on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your astrological or horoscope sign on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in Snapchat and then check whether the app has an update available. If it does have an update available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button. Once you've updated Snapchat to the latest version, I'm going to simply open Snapchat, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So first things first, I'm simply going to show you my current astrological or zodiac sign. In order to do that, on the top left hand side, I'm going to simply tap on my profile icon or my Bitmoji profile. Once I tap on my Bitmoji profile, you can see right next to this snap score, we currently have our current astrological zodiac sign. And if you tap on it, you can see we don't have the option to actually change our zodiac sign directly from here. That is because Snapchat actually uses this zodiac sign according to the date of birth you have put in on your Snapchat account. And if you actually wanted to change your astrological or zodiac sign, you would actually have to change your birthday. So we are going to learn how to change our birthday. In order to do that, on the top right hand side of the screen, you would be able to see the settings or this gear icon. You can tap on this gear icon right over here, and at the third option under the username tab, you would be able to find an option which says birthday. So you can tap on birthday, and then you can simply change your birthday to a point of which the astrological sign belongs to. In my case, from February of 19th to 19th of March, it is actually Pisces. So if you actually wanted other than that, if you wanted Aquarius or something, let me go ahead and simply select. I'm going to set to February of 18, and I'm going to tap on continue, and I'm going to simply select OK right over here. Once I do that, if I tap on my astrological birthday, it is actually going to be set to Aquarius. Let me just show you, and you can see the changes has been successfully taken place. So the bottom line here is that if you want to change the astrological or your zodiac sign, you would actually have to change your birthday to a point of time to which the astrological sign belongs to. Only then you would actually be able to change your zodiac sign on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.